My name's Jill Monaco. I was nominated by my best friend and her sister to receive the facial balancing package for a Mother's Day promotion that Medspa was giving away. I have what's called POEMS syndrome. I started not feeling myself in about 2021. I saw various doctors. Nobody could really pinpoint what was wrong. I just was feeling very fatigued and I just lose my energy very quickly. Then in January of 2024, I woke up on a Tuesday and my hands were numb. I couldn't feel them. I went to 2 separate hospitals, 2 separate emergency rooms during significant flare-ups where at one point my blood pressure was so high I thought I was gonna have a stroke. I sat in the ER for a number of hours where they were running test after test and most things were coming back pretty normal. But then the final test came back. They had run a test on my kidneys and it turns out they were in failure. They did a bone marrow biopsy and it came back that I had this protein in my blood that was attacking my myelin sheath that covers your nerves. And that is why I was losing my motor skills because my nerves and my muscles could no longer communicate. It was actually a year ago today that I stood up for the first time post-treatment and I stood up for 2 minutes. I feel so lucky to be here to do this. When my girlfriends nominated me, I didn't think that there was any sort of chance that I would actually win this. And then when I got the message from Stacy on my Instagram, I was just ecstatic.
Jill has never done anything aesthetically except facial, so I'm really excited to do this. She has a little bit of a medical condition that limits us in the treatments that we would want to do, so we're going to keep it very simple. When I saw her photos, I saw she does have a little bit of melasma, so we can't do anything that's going to cause an inflammatory response. So what we're going to do is Sofwave for face and neck, tighten up the skin, and just kind of give you a little shrink wrap effect with that. We're going to use some neurotoxin by Jeuveau and just get rid of all the wrinkles, do a Nefertiti neck lift, kind of soften up the chin, give her a lip flip, just kind of refresh her face. On top of that, we're also going to do some microneedling with AQ Skin Solutions, which is got growth factors that we don't have to worry about the crazy inflammatory response that happens when we have our own PRP. So it'll just be nice, refreshing, and get your skin to look nice and glowy.
It's been about 2 weeks since all of my treatments at Master's Medspa.
We were unsure of whether or not I could get fillers due to my disease. It took us a couple days, but I was able to contact my team at Mayo and they gave their blessing for me to get the fillers. So we don't have footage of that. I did actually go back a few days afterwards and have that done.
I'm so happy with the results. I feel like my entire face might have changed shape. That Sofwave laser treatment is absolutely incredible.
My girlfriends are jealous, to say the least.
It was just an incredible experience that I cannot rave about enough. I am happy to tell everybody I meet what I experienced at Master's Medspa.